This video introduces the CHaMP Topo processing tool's Thalweg tool, and this occurs quite late in the workflow, and the goal is to create a Thalweg line from the inflow point to the outflow point of the site. So when you go ahead and choose Thalweg, the inputs for this is a raw DEM. So this is not a detrended DEM, this is the raw DEM you created. And then you need to specify your Topo points feature class. When you specify this, you'll get a drop-down list of all the string fields in that feature class, and you need to choose the one that contains your survey codes. Typically for everyone that will be description. You might have called it something different. So go ahead and choose description. You then need to specify the code that you put on your inflow point and your outflow point. In the CHaMP protocol, these are specified as in and out, and that's why they default like this. But you may have named them something different, in which case you can override those values. The pull weight is a value that draws the Thalweg towards deep areas of the channel. So as you increase this number, the Thalweg will get drawn towards the deep pools on the outsides of meanders, etc. And as you reduce the number, the Thalweg will take a more direct route down the channel, basically the shortest route down the channel. So a value of 30 is a reasonable number that should pull the Thalweg into the channel. If you find that the Thalweg is taking shortcuts and cutting across bends, not going where you want it to go, try increasing this number and rerunning the tool. The smoothing tolerance is basically a smoothing value for the final Thalweg, and it will create a more smooth and polished looking Thalweg. This is in meters. If you set this value to 0, there will be no smoothing, and your Thalweg will be somewhat angular and have kind of artifacts of the raster. A value of 2 gives a fairly reasonable result. After you click OK, the tool will ask you, if it notices that you've run it before, the tool will ask you whether you want to override the existing feature class, as it's doing for me here. So I can go ahead and say yes, I'm going to override that and rerun the tool. This is helpful if you make a mistake, or if you edit the Thalweg afterwards but you don't like your changes. You can use the tool a second time to create the Thalweg. So while this is running, some things you want to look for your Thalweg. You want to make sure that the final result touches both the top of the channel and the bottom of the channel. So the line should go from your inflow point to your outflow point. So here it is here. It's loaded for me, so I'll just click OK. And I'll just make that line a bit thicker so that you can see that fairly clearly. So you want to make sure that the Thalweg stretches from the very top of the channel right down to the bottom. Don't worry too much about the specific shape of the ending of the line. You can edit this if you want and draw it right to the edge of the DEM. That's not essential though. And just make sure again at the bottom of the channel that it comes down. So this is quite nice. It's within a few pixels of the end of the channel and seems to be taking a nice line towards the end. And other than that, you want to make sure that the Thalweg stays in the wetted part of the channel, and that it follows what you observe to be the deepest and highest flow part of the channel. If you don't like the Thalweg, you can go into a regular ArcGIS editing session, edit this polyline, and drag its vertices to where you want it. When you finish, make sure you save it. Okay, that's the CHaMP Topo processing Thalweg tool.